Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm excited to walk you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to fetch the CFX USD price from the Pyth Oracle using a combination of Solidity and JavaScript on the Conflux blockchain. Whether you're new to blockchain development or an experienced developer looking to integrate real-time price feeds, this guide is for you. All the code we'll discuss is available in my GitHub repository, linked in the description, so you can follow along. Let's get started. First, let's cover the prerequisites to ensure you're ready to follow this tutorial. You'll need Node.js installed to run Hardhat, which is our development environment for building and deploying smart contracts. You'll also need the Conflux wallet extension to interact with the Conflux blockchain. Additionally, you'll need to install two key dependencies from the Pyth network, the evm-js library for interacting with the Oracle and the pyth-sdk-solidity library for smart contract integration. You can install these by running npm install evm-js pyth-sdk-solidity in your project directory. If you're unsure about any of these steps, check out the Conflux Pyth Network Documentation for detailed setup instructions, and feel free to drop any questions in the comments below. I'll be happy to help. The smart contract, located in the contracts folder of asprice.sol, is designed to fetch the CFX USD price from the Pyth Oracle. This contract imports the Pyth SDK's interface to communicate with the Oracle. It defines a constant for the CFX USD price ID, which is a unique identifier provided by Pyth for this price feed. The contract has a constructor that takes the Pyth Oracle's contract address on the Conflux network to initialize the connection. The main function in the contract accepts price update data as an input, updates the Oracle with this data, and retrieves the latest CFX USD price along with its confidence interval. To ensure the price is fresh, the function checks that the data is no older than 60 seconds before returning the price and confidence values. You can find the full smart contract code in the contracts folder of the repository. Next, let's talk about deploying the smart contract, which is handled by a script in the scripts folder of the repository. The deployment script uses Hardhat to compile and deploy the smart contract to the Conflux network. It connects to the network using the configuration in hardhat.config.js, deploys the contract with the Pyth Oracle's address as a constructor argument, and outputs the deployed contract's address. Now, let's move to the interaction script, also located in the scripts folder, which handles fetching the CFX USD price. This script is written in JavaScript and uses the evm-js library from Pyth to connect to the Pyth Oracle. It starts by setting up a connection to the Pyth contract on the Conflux network using the Oracle's address. The script then specifies the CFX USD price ID to identify the price feed. It fetches the latest price update data from the Pyth Oracle, which is formatted as bytes and used to update the on-chain price feed. The script then connects to the deployed smart contract using a library like ethers.js, calls the price fetching function, and passes the price update data. The function returns the CFX USD price and confidence interval, along with transaction details like the estimated gas, transaction hash, and block number. To see this in action, you'd run the interaction script using npx hardhat run scripts interact.js network conflux. The script logs the transaction details and the fetched price to the console, making it easy to verify the results. If you want to follow along or explore the code, head to the GitHub repository linked in the description, where you'll find the smart contract in the contracts folder and the deployment and interaction scripts in the scripts folder. If anything's unclear or you run into issues, drop a comment below, and I'll do my best to answer. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.